thanks for watching the DIY Daddy channel. My name is Don, and this video is going to be about Woodprix. Who is Woodprix, or Woodprix, whatever. I call them Woodprix. So, a lot of my videos deal with, construction, or constructing small things out of wood, pallet work, that kind of stuff. And I've noticed over the past couple of years, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of spam comments advertising for this website called Woodprix or Woodprix. So basically what this is, in case you're wondering, it's a website that charges you a membership to give you like plans or blueprints basically for all these little projects that you can normally find free on YouTube. Okay, so I just wanted to put this out there just in case, some people are wondering. I try to delete these posts as quickly as possible, but it's hard to keep up. So if you do see something on any of my videos that says, check out Woodprix, if that's something that you want to do, fine, but I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. I don't agree with their tactics of, spam bombing videos with, their website information. I don't agree with that tactic. I don't agree with, the way that they do things. So that's that really. So again, thank you for watching all of my other videos, and I am hopefully going to be getting some more great content to you soon. So thanks for watching. See you all later.